Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a long wheelbase transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's an improved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van, you'll notice it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. It's also fitted with two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. To the front of the van, it's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that this van is fitted with alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. The wheels are 16-inch. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the door mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. Stepping away from the van, you will notice to this side of the vehicle is fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the manual sliding door so you can see the load area. To the back of the front seat, you will notice a bulkhead. If I pan the video around, you will notice that the back of the load area is fully wood ply-lined. We are now at the back of the van. You'll notice that it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice it's fitted with reverse parking sensors. Moving to the centre of the doors, you'll notice the transporter badge and the VW emblem. I've now opened the rear barn doors so you can see the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space in the back of the van. As you can also notice, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. It's also fitted with load lashing rings to help secure loads in transit. Both doors come with release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in Ravenna Blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. This van is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors come with some handy storage. Across the dash you will notice cup holders and some handy centre storage. Moving to the back of the cab, you'll notice the bulkhead which I mentioned earlier. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat comes with 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished the 360 walk around of the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show the working controls inside the interior and also the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice the mirror controls and electric window controls. Here we have the auto headlight switch. Moving to the steering wheel, here we have the media control side. On this side we have adaptive cruise control. This particular van has covered 10,521 miles. Here we have the 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia screen with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. Next, I'd like to show you App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. I'm just going to pop the vehicle into reverse so you can see the park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. Moving away from the media screen, you'll notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat. This van is also a 5-speed, which you mentioned earlier. Now for a quick recap of the van. It's a Transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's a long wheelbase. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. And thank you for watching.